Master Resident.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Musa from Master Resident, and today, September 17th, 2019, I want to welcome all of you to the new 2019-2020 Residency Match season. And today, only 2 days after the application submission season started, we have received feedback from some of our members who have already received residency interview invitations. And that's very uncommon practice by the programs to start this early. Rest assured that October 1st, at the time of the release of the MSPE, is when most programs will start sending invitations to their candidates. Now, we know that October and November and December, just before the holidays, are the most common months where candidates receive interviews. Now, today I wanted to touch three topics, or a topic that has three parts in terms of how the programs respond to candidates. The first one is rejections, invitations, or no response. Now, with rejections, it doesn't matter how well you have done your research about the program. A rejection could be done for any reason that is not explained. That means the programs can reject you for any reason that is not explained in the email that you receive from them. So you would not know why they rejected you. Now, the programs maybe are looking for different parts of a candidate, or different aspects of a candidate in terms of their school, or how competitive they are to the pool of candidates who already applied. So it could be any reason that is not explained by the programs. Now, the invitations, again, just pay attention to them in October, November, and December. And just before the interview, we'll be giving you some hints and tips on how to approach the interviews. And the third part is no response at all. That means the programs could go the whole season without giving any reasons for them not to respond to your application. Now, these are responsive programs. If you're a new candidate, you may not know if this program or the programs you applied for will respond to you in a week, 2 months, or never. And therefore, we suggest that 4 to 6 weeks after the application have been submitted to them, is to follow up with a letter to the programs to express your interest in specific in the programs you applied to. Now, we understand that there may be 100 programs in the list and you cannot do a specific follow-up. And the specific follow-up, I mean, you have to know about the program that you're following up with. It means it cannot be a generic universal letter that you're sending to everyone and expect a positive feedback. You have to show them interest, and that's the main reason why you send in this letter. So you have to do a research of the program in 3 different areas. First, you need to know about the program, what interests you in the program itself, the faculty, program director, attendings, and residents, as well as the location of the program. So you want to show interest in the program, the faculty, and the location, which is the city where the program is located. This is the only way you can express that interest in specific for the program. Now, we understand that most of you are doing maybe clinical rotations or studying for an exam, and therefore the follow-up for all the programs is difficult. So what we suggest is that you should select the top 10 programs in your Master Resident list in terms of the compatibility, or the programs that you have researched yourself, if you have done the research on your own, and follow up with at least 10 of them, and hopefully that will give you a positive answer. I will be coming back within the next few weeks to address different aspects of the process, pre-interview, post-interview, interview itself, and therefore just stay tuned to our channel that on YouTube and Instagram, and we'll be giving you a lot of tips and information about the process in the upcoming weeks. Thank you so much and good luck.